everyone, welcome back. So in our previous, we are continuing with object comparison. In our previous video, we use Apache Commons something. I mean Apache Commons lang 3 comparison not equal methods. In this video, we are going with some other libraries, not some other libraries. It's a Google library for making your life more easy. So basically they are using the current object implementation and aggregating that functionality into something else. So that's exactly Google Guava will do. So in Google Guava library we have some methods. There is one method called equal. It's like object equal, but it's objects equal. So in that one we can use the comparison equals operation. So by importing that particular library, I already did the dependency adding into our pom.xml file. After that we are here. So here some comparison is happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that objects. So whenever you are typing objects here, you can see that objects you have two things. One is com.google.common.base and also the usual, I mean the actual Java util objects one. So here we are comparing to one, test 1 and test 2. We know that both are not same and we are trying to resolve these things. Okay, so I am just running this one. So it's saying like true, these two objects are equal. So I will go back to the implementation here, not implementation, test 1 and test 2 are equal here. So different object, but the equals conditions, the equals method in our class defined in a way that's only checking for test value. That's I am providing here, right? So if you are just checking this one, test 1, this is the test value. So if test value is equal, our things are equal, right? So our object is equal. So if I am checking with some other things like test 3, that's totally different, saying like false. So that's one method. And other than we have a comparison chain. The library offers a comparison chain that allows us to compare two objects through a chain of comparison. So how the chain of comparison will work? So in object comparison we are using two things. One is equals and also the comparison, whether it's greater than, less than, or something like ordering. So if I need to compare using the comparison chain, I can do that. Yeah, okay, so what I am going to do is to create another test 2 and then new test. Okay, and I am providing some values here, test purpose, and then I'm just copy that value into other one, other test 2, and here probably test or something like that, and we are going to define our comparison chain, compare or something. So compare, then comparison chain, comparison chain, then stack. We need to use this stack, and then the next one is the next operation that we are compare. So what exactly you need to compare in this scenario? So if I have test 1, 2, test value, and the other one test 2, test value. Okay, then I am going to compare again with the order. Test 1, 2, order. Oh, I'm doing something wrong here. Test 2 order. Okay, there's some trouble here, so you need to provide the result here, and we will display that result here. So in compare, so whatever I got from that things, and here it's saying like, okay, something is wrong here, nothing is wrong here. It will just run this application, that's it. Okay, so here, so one means this one is greater. If I am comparing this one, and if I am okay, if it is equal, it's gonna happen -1. In that case it's provided -1, and if it is something like this one, then also -1. So making it as a 0, that means equal. This is a 0, so 0 will happen if both values are equal, and in this case the order value is different. That's why whenever I am adding this one, I am getting -1 or 1. So based on which one will come first. So that's the thing. So basically you can use multiple properties, so this makes your life very easy. That's all advantage for this guava library. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.